Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Harin. Today I am here because I want to improve myself. Today I am here because I want to learn something new every day and I would like to share my experience. So I have made 13 video in my YouTube channel. You can see and watch, because if you want to take advantage and if you want to speak English fluently, so please check out. And after today I am here how to start a English journey as a beginner, because lot of people want to speak English but people want to result earlier. It cannot be possible here. Yes, you heard right. It cannot be possible. If you want to learn English, you have to keep doing work, speaking, reading, writing. All these things will have to do. If you are not doing that activity, you cannot speak English. So today I am here and let's talk about my 13 video and 14 also video. I did not have a single idea how to express yourself, how to speak in front of camera. I have lot of fear. I have shy in front of camera. Words are not come to my mind. My mind goes blank. I cannot be able to speak a single word. But how did I learn and what to do? Today I will tell you, but you have to watch my video till the end. Okay, so first you have to change your mindset. Yes, you heard right. If you want to change your mindset, after that you have to find out resources how to speak. First I would like to say, you can purchase a book and you have a idea how to make a sentences. After that you have to move next goal. Next goal is speaking. You have to do mistake while speaking, because you are a beginner. I was beginner that time. I also do mistake. Mistake is common, doesn't matter if you are doing mistake while speaking. It's happen, it's normal, because this is not my native language. So you have to put effort to learn this language. How? Yes, you can speak. After that you have a habitual these type of activity, you feel better. Your confidence will be boost. Maybe after that you believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, you can do anything. But I will explain my journey, and I did not speak a single word because I do not have more idea how to make a sentence, and my lack of practice. I facing lack of practice, lack of discipline, lack of knowledge. That is why I was not able to speak English. But I have worked on it. Then you also see in my video, in my previous video, I cannot be express my thought, but now I can speak because of practice. Practice make a perfect, but you have to practice in correct way. Do you have a path? Do you have a path? And you have to write down. You have to write down your goal. After that you have to take action to do anything. I want to do like this. Yes, you heard right. And I am not a motivational speaker, but I am whatever I tell you, this is my experience. I also follows these type of activity every day and consistent, and I upload this video in my YouTube channel, and watch this video till the end. If are not watching my previous video, you can watch. After that you can see and notice so many things, because I have to, I also seeing, I am confident, I am very happy, because I can speak English, I am able to speak English now. Okay, if you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon also. Okay.